Here's a look at how Washburn's metal assembles their rolling body cart for Beetles and Carmen Ghias, which are made from 90,000 steel tubing. To start the work, Washburns will grind down the sharp ends of the corner brackets about 1/8 of an inch, so they will fit around some of the corner welds they'll make. They start by butting the end sections of 2 tubes, one that is 4 foot and the other 58 inches. That'll make the cart's first corner. The corners are then tacked together with a MIG and follow with the first full bead weld. The opposite end's corner is then laid out, squared, secured, and then tacked and welded. The framework is flipped over, and you can see where the tube ends were ground and rounded, which you should also do as it makes for better weld penetration. Next, the first of the 4 upright sections is squared and then secured with angled magnets, and then tack welded together. Here you can see all 4 uprights have been tacked in place. A mark is made 3 inches below the top of each upright to note where 2 of the 58-inch tube sections will be located. Each corner of each tube gets tacked in place. The 2 56-inch crossbars are set in place, each with a 4-inch overhang on each end. Those 2 crossbars also get tack welded on every corner, where they come in contact with each other. Before the final welding, a diagonal measurement is checked against the opposite diagonal measurement to see if the cart is square. Once satisfied everything is square, the final welds of the tubing can begin. The 4 corner braces can now be added inside the cart's upper section and finished welded too. There are 4 brackets for the locking wheels that should be added to the lower section of the cart's framework. Finish welding can now happen on both sides of the wheel brackets. The 2 forward body mounting tabs can be added and should point inward. Though you should check the location against your specific vehicle, the center line of the slot will be around 12 inches in from the end of the crossbar. The 4 rear-mounted brackets are Ghia and Bug specific and point outwards from the frame. The 2 outer tabs are for Ghia bodies, with the 2 inward tabs being for Bug applications. Because there is no pan to work with, the mounting screws tie into the body's heater channel in both the front and rear. Again, check the tabs locations against your body before welding them on. The top side welds for these body tabs should be ground flat too. The 4-inch locking caster wheels are supplied along with all the hardware to mount them to the cart. Here's what each of the corners should look like when you're done. Though you may want to paint or powder coat yours, The finished Washburn's metal rolling body cart for Ghias and Beetles is ready for use. You can see how easy it is to move a body around your shop with one of the Washburn's metal rolling carts. You also have a choice to have the cart shipped to you in kit form, so you can weld it together yourself. Or you can order it welded and assembled by Washburn's Metal, and then pick it up from our shop in Orange, California. And be sure to check out Washburn's Metal's Facebook page, YouTube channel, and website for more videos, plus those American-made Washburn's Metal parts we have for sale.